First thing you're going to do is to add the 426 to Production Manager. So start Production Manager. You should get a pop-up screen like this. If not, you would just go to this button right here. It's a little plus button on a folder that'll pop this menu up here. This allows you to install new printers and cutters. So we're actually going to install a Muto printer, the 426. Click the download or the menu here to find that. So we're going to go all the way to 426, and here it is here, right? There is an old interface and a new interface. We'll want to use the new interface right here, okay? It just has some extra options that we've added that makes it easier to use the machine. Click Next. Then you will actually be asked to what the network port is for that particular printer. These are just example. You just type in the network address. It's a good thing to click on Test. If this is the correct port address and everything is connected right, you would get a message that says connection successful, and then you know that the machine is communicating with the RIP. Otherwise, you may have to make some adjustments to the network. Once that's done, click OK, click Finish, and this tab will show up that actually shows your 426 installed. So that's basically how you would install a 426 printer with Production Manager.